How to Study the Bible for Beginners, your step-by-step guide to studying the Bible for beginners by HowExpert with Jane Rada. If you want to learn the Bible, then get How to Study the Bible for Beginners, which is written by Jane Rada, who has been in ministry for many years. How to Study the Bible for Beginners is a great tool for anyone who wants to dive deeper into the Word of God. Jane Rada realizes that even though people want to study the Bible more, at times it can seem overwhelming and confusing, especially for someone who has not done much study before. In the guide, Jane breaks it down into small, easy-to-understand steps that will help anyone learn a little more. How to Study the Bible for Beginners takes a systematic approach towards looking at the Bible and understanding the culture of the time that it was written, how it relates to the rest of the scriptures, and how it can be applied to today's culture as well as individual lives. About the expert, Jane Rada firmly believes that the Bible contains everything that is needed to live a life that is full of passion, grace, excitement, and growth. She has spent the majority of her life trying to help teach others to discover the truths found in the Word, and this guide was written to be another tool to help reach that goal. It is not written for scholars. It is written for anyone who wants to learn more about the Bible, no matter their age or education level. All that is required is a Bible, an open heart and mind, and a desire to see God transform lives. Table of Contents. Chapter 1, Before You Start. Chapter 2, Prayer. Chapter 3, Choose the Bible you want to use. Chapter 4, Choose the book you want to study. Chapter 5, What to Read When. Chapter 6, Move from Outside In. Chapter 7, Apply it to your life. Chapter 8, Seek Wise Counsel. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.